I'm Kayla with WTI, and this super fun sticker by letter dinosaurs book was the perfect activity for my son to take on a recent road trip. Now, not only is this great for on the go, but we also love to use it at home too. This is so fun because it is all about dinosaurs and it's so colorful and is awesome for creativity in little ones. Now, what I love about this is each page can be ripped out, so then you can also display the finished product. I like that the stickers have the actual page number on it, so you can match up which stickers go where. Then it's all up to my son to match the stickers to the letters. I really like too because he is using his fine motor skills to try to peel those stickers off the page and place them on here correctly and in the right position. This allows him to really see which way the shape could go and make sure that it matches. And I really like just seeing his brain work as he's matching all of the stickers up. This dinosaur sticker book is a fun but quiet activity that really just continues to help my son have fun with art. And that's just my point of view.